Model, 2019 Ford Transit 384 km starts runs needs turbo replacement Euro 6 No Vat. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 84,425. MOT, the 6th of November 2025. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PSA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts and runs but it is underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, electric windows, parking sensors. Euro status, Ulez Compliant. HPI, Clear S in 2019.